going to show you how to invite followers for your trip. I've created the trip, it hasn't started yet. I go into my trip and I can click on the followers link. Currently, I'm the only one following it. I can use the plus button on top to invite other followers. I can do that in 3 ways. I can do that by email, sending them a message, or using WhatsApp. I'll show you the email version. An email will show up, and inside that email there's a link. The receiving user, that of course you still need to fill in, will click on that link and then gets instructions how to install the app if they don't have it yet, or they will be redirected to the app and added as a follower of your trip. The trip is still private, but your followers can see it. It's not publicly shared, but your friends and family can still follow the trip. After they have been following the trip, it appears in their trip list and they will see notifications on your trip. It's a great way to share your epic adventure with your friends and family. Now you can continue using Go and Walkabout. Go on a trip and have fun.